Hi, beautiful people. It's me, Yani, and welcome to my Yaniverse. Hey guys, come spend an afternoon with us. It's just a quick grocery run with Bea. Pupunta kami ng Sanay V21 ngayon para bumili ng cheese and laundry stuff, and isa siyang grocery store na malapit lang sa amin. Maglalakad lang kami since walking distance lang naman, tsaka para exercise na rin. Wala silang work today kasi holiday, and it's called 4th of July, which is their Independence Day in America. I get shy holding hands in public before kasi sa Pilipinas parang i-judge ka pag nag-PDA, and I thought it's reasonable. Pero kapag nasa ibang bansa ka, these things are normal.
It's so pretty.
The sky is pretty recently too.
I'm still trying to get used to filming myself in public, so cute. And this is the Sun Air, guys. Maliit lang naman siya pero halos andito na lahat ng kailangan mo. Lagi kaming pumupunta dito kapag may bibilhin pero usually gabi, and first time kong pumunta dito ng tanghali. Not to be ignorant, pero most of their doors here are automatic, so hindi ka na mahihirapan magbukas lagi ng pintuan. Pagpasok mo dito guys, bubungan na agad yung mga prutas, and share ko lang, last time na bumili kami ng saging, hindi rin naman namin nakain hanggang sa mabulok na lang. Kaya ang ending, tinapon na lang namin. And that's when I realized na kahit ilagay pala siya sa fridge, mabubulok pa rin. Imagine yung hindi pa masyadong hinog na saging yung kinuha ko, but still it didn't stay fresh inside the fridge. Kaya hindi na ako kumuha ng saging, etong melon na lang and watermelon, and meron din silang mga grapes dito, oranges, apples, avocado, and many more. Ito naman is mga noodles ata. Ay, awan ko. Meron ding tofu dito pero hindi ko pa nata-try. Maybe next time pag bumalik ulit kami kasi ang dami pang pagkain sa bahay. Maliit lang din yung freezer namin and puno pa rin siya kaya minsan hindi na kami masyado kumukuha ng kung ano-ano eh. Minsan kailangan din talaga natin makontento, hindi yung bili ng bili kahit meron pa naman. Wow, coming from me? So, ganito yung meats nila dito guys. Nakalagay talaga siya sa foam trays and nakabalot ng maayos. May mga price na rin every trays and makikita mo kung ilang kilo siya. Ever since dumating ako dito, ang lagi kong pinapare sa kanin is beef or minsan chicken.
You should, yeah, it's okay. Chicken breast is like chicken thigh. You see how it's like fattier? This one is gonna taste better. Also, if you want to, you have like legs and wings too. Awesome. Wait. This is also chicken thigh right here. Just get a big pack because it's gonna last longer. See what I mean?
So expensive.
It's like 1,000 and it's gonna last for a longer time.
Right.
It's cheaper than buying 2 small packs.
Meron din silang mga isda dito guys, pero wala yung favorite kong bangus at tilapia. I've tried the bangus last time though, and sa base namin siya nabili. Also, meron din silang dilis dito. Bulinaw is my lifesaver before guys. Kahit ito lang ulam ko dati, okay na ako eh. Lalo na pag may sawsawa na suka asin, yummy. Ito naman yung milk section nila. Marami pa kaming milk sa bahay so hindi na kami kumuha dito. This one is his favorite aisle. Si addict sa cheese eh. Ginagawa niyang snack day. Hindi ako mahilig sa cheese kaya hinahayaan ko na lang siyang kumuha ng kung anong gusto niya. Iba-ibang klase ng cheese and it's cut into triangle. Tapos ito naman is flavored cheese or cream cheese ata. I don't know. Here are the bread section. Masarap naman pero iba pa rin paggawang Pinoy te. Ito naman yung mga drinks nila and guys, mura lang mga to.
Damn, without getting a drink.
Is this the one that I tried before? Like the
I think I
first?
got you an apple and an orange. But yeah, you tried that before. I think you liked it, right?
Yeah, I like this one.
I know that the bar closes at 11.
Just water?
I think it's Pocari Sweat, so it might have some good flavor in it. This one right here, the Dakara Oro Rehydration, it's like, it has like electrolytes and salt in it. So it's like a little bit salty, but it's good if you're dehydrated.
What is that?
It's Pocari Sweat. It's like it's gonna make your water turn into like have electrolytes in it. You know what I mean? Let's try out this one pack. I never tried it before.
Okay. I think I'll just get this one. So, just this one.
You know what, guys? I just realized that I used to think that only big moments were worth remembering, but lately I've been finding joy in the little ones. Afternoon like this, walking through a grocery store with no rush, looking around and just taking everything in. Nothing extraordinary is happening, and maybe that's exactly why I love it. These quiet moments have a way of reminding me that life doesn't always have to be exciting to be meaningful.
I think we got this one. Smells good, right? Oh wait, no, this is
No,
liquid.
let's try this
Okay.
purple.
Yeah.
Because we got the green one before.
See how it smells?
Yeah.
You want to get 2 or 3?
Nag-a-adjust pa rin ako dito, guys, sa mga bagong nakikita ko na medyo malayo sa kung ano nakasanayan ko. It's not that easy, but I'm learning how to love the experience now. And in time, I'll get used to it. Minsan, gusto kong kumain ng favorite chips ko sa Pilipinas, pero wala akong mahanap dito. And it's sad, but I'm learning how to be content with whatever is available and just deal with it happily. I know trying new things is scary sometimes, but it's also where growth begins. Taking some risk and facing my fears is my ultimate mantra for this. So, before we head out, let's get Rico a treat first. I'm sure he will love this. Takaw nun eh.
I'm gonna get him before. Oh, I got him like this chicken or fish one before. He likes these as well. But he eats it so fast.
Go get it.
Now we got everything we need, pero hindi talaga maiiwasan na may maidadagdag ka sa cart kahit hindi naman panalo na bibilhin mo yun. Akala ko talaga 5 or 6K yan lang magagastos namin, pero sumobra bakla. Pampalubag loob lang, it really feels nice walking in this sidewalk kasi tignan nyo naman kung gaano kaliwalas yung paligid. And the sky looks pretty too. Perfect pang vlog na para bang main character yung atake mo dito, te. Pauwi na kami, guys, and medyo grabe ang sikat ng araw today, pero hindi naman siya yung super duper init na parang masusunog na yung balat mo. OA na yun, te. Saktuhan lang dito, sis, kaya rebels lang naman yung init. Nung paakyat na kami, we saw this and it looks pretty. Parang makokonsensya ka pag natapakan mo eh.
We tried the grocery. Little grocery. What we have is wait lang. Eto. Oh, melon. Is this a melon? Is it?
Yeah, it's a melon. It's like honeydew melon, I think.
Oh, melon siya. And then, come here, Rex. Say hi on the video. Hi! Okay. Then, another
Oh wait, no, it's cantaloupe.
What?
Have you heard of cantaloupe before?
No. Basta, melon na siya.
Okay.
Tapos, eto, watermelon. Okay, I'll put it back here kasi baka kainin nila. And, ang dami niyang kinuhang cheese. So, wait lang, papakita ko sa inyo. This. Ito ba? Ito din, cheese. Ginagawa niyang parang snack minsan. Kinakain niyang ito, ganito lang. Nang walang kahit ano. And then ito. Ay! Ito parang iba siya. Hindi siya cheese. Ewan ko na to. Basta. After that, we got this one too. I think water lang to. Ito din. So, drinks niya to. Ito yung sa kanya. And then ito naman yung sa akin. Ito yung sa akin. And meron akong isa pa. I have two. Pero hindi ko na naman masyadong iniin. Lalagay lang sa fridge. May isang cheese pa pala. Ito. So, ito na tayo dyan. I'll put it back here. Kasi ilalagay ko din sa fridge. Later. Isang pagpapanggap. Ito naman. This is a mouthwash. Ang laki ng kinuha niya ng mahal. Naubos yung pera ko dito. Then, kumuha din kami ng laundry bits. Hindi ko naman tawag dito. Basta para sa mga bits na nilalagay sa washing machine. This one is my lotion. This one is, hindi ko alam. Basta, Pocari Sweat. Na, kinuha niya. And then, treats for Riku. Where's your food? Riku. Have you tried this before? Already? Or is this the first time?
He's had him before. He loves that one.
Where's your food? Later. Ito, panglinis ng ngipin. Then, yung snacks, cheetos. So, ayun lang. And ang total lahat nito is, where's the, kala namin mga 5 or 6,000 yan lang. Pero hindi, te. Almost 11K. Ayos na yun. Ubus yung pera ko. Dami yung ay, ito pa pala. So, we have, this is,
4-2.
huh?
In pesos, it's 4-2.
Oh my god.
Yeah, 4-2.
Okay, so this is salmon. Salmon. And I got this chicken. Kasi gusto ko mag-adobo. Nami-miss ko na kumain ng adobo. And this is beef. Puro tayo meat ngayon. Wala akong mahanap na bangus doon or tilapia. And this is another pack of chicken. So marami tayong meat. And meron pa akong beef sa fridge na hindi pa naluluto. So nakatambak lang sila kasi ang daming pagkain. And minsan, wala. Nabubutog na ako ng tinapay lang. So, ayun lang yung pamili natin na akala ko mura lang. Hayop. Maabot ng almost 11.
So that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for spending the afternoon with us. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, beautiful people.